What's going on, YouTube? It is me again, back at 7:30 GWeezy. Today I got a long one for you guys. I kept it sped up a little bit so I didn't bore you guys too much, but it's a complete haircut. Just wanted to show you guys how I went through this. Kind of similar to the last haircut. We busted down with the 2, taper it out. This time I do cut the top, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do all that too. This is my son Cam. You guys have seen him in other videos. He came in one day, just figured it'd be a good time. I was actually live too, so if you guys saw the live video, I'm sure you guys saw me doing this haircut as well. I was kind of just doing an educational thing live on Instagram, so as you guys can see, I'm kind of teaching as I'm cutting. That's why you guys see me pointing, or I'll just be like going over a few things. You might see me like turn around, talk to another camera. I actually have my cell phone going at the same time, but this is what we did. We didn't even fade the sides. We just busted down with a number 2. We started tapering. I got my guideline right there, just lining up. I'm trying to show everyone how I like to keep all my lines dark and how I'm going to keep them there while I'm tapering. So as you guys seen, I busted it down with a 2, did my guideline, and then I lined that side up. Now I made my secondary guideline, and I'm just blending with the corner right now. Now since I had a 2 on the sides, I got my 1.5, and I'm just busting up and down. I'm just blending that right out. Now I'll switch over the 16th. Same thing, I'm just using the corner of my blade, just going up and down, just fading that in. Now guys, it's okay if you go from your 1.5 to your 16th, and I actually showed the example of it on this. I did the 1.5, I did the 1, and then I took down my 16th. And actually, as I'm blending right now, I'm creating another line. And I did that on purpose just to show you guys that it does happen and how easy it will be to take out. See, I'm stretching the skin on the sides, and I'm just blending out. So like I said, I started off with a 1.5, started blending that out. I did the 1, I grabbed my 16th, but now I created another guideline. So I'm not worried about that line that's there right now. I'm just blending out the bottom. And then, like I said, there's a 2 on the side. So we're just going to grab the 1.5 and just flick out right into the 2. Just like that, and it's gone. So guys, when you guys are cutting here, just concentrate on one thing at a time. You guys don't have to, just because I got that 16th on and I created another line, I didn't go right back and put my 1 guard on. I just continued my steps, going straight back down and blended it out. Now for the purpose of this video, I just did one side at a time just to show you guys how I did this, and I actually did the enhancements and everything. So as you guys know, I'm not too huge on enhancements, but I wanted to show you guys that the before the enhancements and after the enhancements. I'm not really hiding anything up, I'm just enhancing what's there. So I actually took you guys the full step, straight bladed my enhancements right now. Now I grab my white pencil, just hitting that line. I'm not pressing too hard with my white pencil, I'm just creating that line. And then I'll grab my BABYLISSPRO Pros, and I'm just pushing that white pencil. I'm fading it out and pushing the blade back in. So I'm really just fading that white pencil line out with my trimmers. I don't keep it there. I don't know why some people do that. They'll put that white line there and they'll just keep it there. I think that looks ridiculous. It's like a dead man. You know, you guys see those crime movies, they got the white outprint. That's all it is. You know, blend that out. Grab your trimmers, use the blade, blend it right out. Now, like I said, I sped up this video just so I didn't bore you guys. We're going to do the same thing on this side. We hit it with the 2. We're coming straight up. See, I'm not going into the rounds of the head. I'm just coming straight up. And like I always tell you guys, that is the most key thing when doing a haircut on a man. You want to keep it square. That's why we're coming straight up on the sides. We're not going into the round. Got my guideline there, just lining up where I'm going to have my line up because I want to keep all that dark. Now I'll just start tapering. Got my 1.5 on, my 1, fading right down until everything's nice and clean. guys haven't done so yet, make sure you guys follow me on here. Hit the subscribe. Be notified whenever I drop some new heat. Also, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys do that. I am now an ambassador for Uplift. So if you guys are looking for any kind of product, Uplift is a great company, has a great cause. So make sure you guys check them out, upliftprovisionco.com. See, I just showed you guys with the comb. I want to keep everything nice and even. Again, I'm not going into the round ahead, I'm just coming straight up. Also, guys, if you guys are interested or in the market for some shears, you guys have had your shears for a while. I am also an ambassador for Shark Fin Shears, so make sure you guys go check them out. If you guys want, we ship worldwide. You could use my promo code. You guys could use my promo code MM, and you will receive 2 free texturizing shears and a free feather razor on the house. If you guys know how much shears are, that is a huge giveaway. And speaking of giveaway, I'm going to be doing a giveaway to one lucky person. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. If you guys have any ideas, write that in the comments below, but I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a shear, 2 texturizing shears, and a feather razor. So if you guys have any good ideas how I should do that, maybe a raffle on Instagram, let me know, and you guys can be a part of that as well. Now we're just working on the back here, just tapering out the bottom. As you guys saw, I was pointing at his occipital bone a little while ago. Do not, when you guys are tapering out the backs of the hairlines, the nape area, do not go above that occipital bone. That is a no-no. Once you do that, you might as well just start fading. So, one big key, tapering, stay under the occipital bone, and just blend out. Keep that guideline low if you have to. See, I have my hand right at my occipital bone right there. That's the area that we do not want to overcut. So we're just keeping it right low. And like I said to you guys before, if you guys have a customer, the best way to keep their head nice and flat in the back like that is to have them sit straight up and tuck their chin right into their chest. That is a huge tip. That'll help everyone out. Try it. Have your customer sit there, sit straight up, butt all the way against the back of the seat, sit straight up, look straight down, and tuck that chin into their chest, and you will have a nice flat canvas in the back to work with. Sometimes people like to lean over, they get hunched over, they get that dip in the middle of the back of the head, or it dips in. I'm telling you, have them sit straight up, tuck their chin, look straight down, right into their chest. Now when I'm tapering, I'm always working from one side to the other. As you guys can see right there, I just pointed to the middle of the head, pointed to the right, then I pointed to the left. I finished my right side, now I'm just working over to my left side. Same thing, just straighten out those lines in the back, making sure all that stuff's nice and crispy. Now as you guys can see, if you guys are looking on both sides of the head, you can see that square shape because I went straight up on both sides with my number 2. I didn't go into the round of the head. That's from bringing your clippers straight up with the number 2 guard, not going into the round. You're going to get that square shape. Square is dominance. That's the shape we're looking for in any men's haircut. Like before, we put our white pencil down and we just fade out it. We just fade that white pencil out with our trimmer blades. Now we're going to blend the top in with the sides. So, like always, we're going to grab our flat comb, push all our hair over to the sides because we're not going to have anything hanging over, and we're just going to use our comb as a straight edge. We're going to bring it up and bring it right to the flat of the head and come straight up. Notice how my comb's not turned in, it's straight up. I'm actually coming into it, then pulling out, and whatever's there is getting cut. That is a huge technique in the industry that you guys should know if you are not good at it. Get your clipper over comb. It will save you so much time. I'm telling you. Now we're just gonna blunt cut the top. I got my swivel shears, my shark fin shears. Like I said, if you guys are looking for some shears, make sure you guys go check out Shark Fin Shears. Use promo code MM and you will get 2 free texturizing shears and a feather razor on the house. Right now I'm just blunt cutting, just cutting it down. At first my son said, "Oh Dad, I think I want to leave the top." It was way too long. So we're just gonna blunt cut that. Right now I'm just cross checking. What you do one way, we gotta do the other. Now I got my texturizing shears, and I'm just hitting the tips of his hair. Usually when you guys are using your texturizing shears, you don't go under 50% of the hair length. So you just hit your tips. Blow dry everything straight. Put the product in there, straighten them out, take some pictures, post it, and you guys are all gravy. Now with that texturizing, with the clay, I'm actually using my Uplift texturizing clay. That's why I texturize. So when you guys texturize, you blow dry it, you throw a little bit of clay in your hands, and you just give it that messy look on top. Beautiful texture up there. Freeze it with some hairspray, and bam, your boy's ready. But like always, thank you guys for watching. 730G Wheezy, follow me. Like I said, comment below if you guys have any ideas for the giveaway, and I'll see you guys next time.